Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for Whimsy Stamps Flight of the Dragon 4x6 clear stamp set. Another great addition by Dustin Pike to the Whimsy Stamps Dragon line. These cuties are in flight and ready to capture someone's heart for you. Now this set includes two dragons. The largest image is approximately 3 inches by 3 1/8 of an inch in size. A butterfly, a dragonfly, and this adorable little snail. Plus you're getting 6 sentiments in this set. Now for my first sample, I simply colored the image with alcohol markers, created a fun background using the new Fadoodle Bloom stamp set, and airbrushed a quick sky to pop this cutie up off of. Now my second sample, again, I colored the images with alcohol markers, and then I paired it with the Slimline Clouds die and stamped my own sentiment using my favorite alphabet mini stamp set. Now let me know what you think of the new Flight of the Dragon stamp set in the comments. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you will find more inspiration from our amazing design team. And until next time, please take care.